how to verify your eToro account. If you wish to verify your eToro account, it's actually rather simple for us to do so. Now for this, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the eToro app. Once you launch the eToro app, this is the type of interface that you should be able to see. Now after you do that, first of all you must make sure that you are logged into your eToro account. Then tap on the three-line icon located at the top left hand side of the screen. It will ask us to complete our profile, so tap on continue. Here you must enter your address, your country, and your citizenship ID or your national insurance number. On the next page, enter your experience and a couple of other details that eToro might ask you to enter, right? Once you've entered and followed up with all of these questions, it will ask you to upload your documents. So here you can say it will ask you to enter your phone number as well. It will ask you to upload your passport or your ID card. And once you've done that, you can tap on upload and hit the arrow icon. Then go to the address verification section, and then you will be able to upload your eToro ID and so on by verifying it. And this way you'll be able to verify your eToro account. I hope that the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.